I'm Martin Kanovsky, and I graduated from Penn Medical School in 1978. I was fortunate enough to stay here for a residency in internal medicine and a fellowship in cardiology. I came to Penn in 1974 and started medical school here, and I was fortunate enough to be accepted at such a fine university. Penn School of Medicine is one of the top medical schools in the country, and there were a lot of things about Penn that were different than the other medical schools. Like now, Penn had an innovative curriculum, and although it was different then than now, we started seeing patients our first week here in medical school. We had a year of basic science, but after that, we could adjust our schedule in a way that best met our needs. We had lots of time for clinical activities. We had an outstanding faculty, and one of the things that I particularly liked about Penn is that it was integrated with the rest of the university. One of the highlights of my work here is meeting the medical students here. Many of them, in fact all of them, are so accomplished in what they've done and what they're doing here at Penn. Many of them are working on joint degrees or doing research, taking advantage of the different departments in the medical school and the university, and they have great plans for the future, and it's very nice to meet them. The Perelman gift to the School of Medicine is just incredible. It's incredibly generous, and it means a lot. As being an unrestricted gift, it can be used where it's needed most. It's going to help scholarships for the students. Many students are graduating from medical school over $200,000 in debt. It will help continue to attract the best and the brightest students, and it'll be also used to attract professors, and to continue to keep Penn Medicine as one of the top, if not the top, medical school in the country and perhaps the world. Unrestricted giving is an important part of giving here at Penn. The university can use that where it's needed most. Often it's used for scholarships. Many of the classes have their class scholarships that are awarded on a yearly basis. Currently, for this fiscal year, we have 2,000 alumni donors and have raised $1 million. The fiscal year ends the end of June. We're aiming for 2,300 donors and $1.3 million. Please consider giving to the annual fund. The annual fund uses the money for financial aid for students in need. The majority of students currently receive some sort of financial aid. It's used for upgrades for the medical facilities and to support Penn's virtual learning curriculum. It's also used for equipment for clinical education. Let's open the door for future medical students. Show your love to the School of Medicine. Ben and I would like to see you involved. Have a seat here and be involved with Penn Alumni Development. I love being here, so will you.